話你成身出煙喎！我聽人哋講，哦呢度 Uncle Trail 嚟嘅，好容易。我同我朋友講，好容易嘅呢度 X 嚟嘅，一入嚟死咗啦！我連吉都冇帶，我幾後悔。Good morning, everybody. Finally, we are here at Sungai around 11 km. Okay, this is starting point. So the total is around 11 km. The trail is like up and down all the way. Not much flat. Oh. Single track. Left. Climb. Whoa, climb. Steep climb. It's been a long time never ride this kind of trail. Oh. Wow, nice. No hiking allowed.
Hey, downhill 講，uphill 講呢個。
嘻嘻。哎呦，嗰啲樹根嚇死人喎！我睇下前邊輪要放風喎。哇！喂 ，ini kiara lah. Wow, this is crazy. If this kind of trail 11 km will kill us. Very nice. Now I know why everybody come here. I think it's Uncle Trail. They say the local uncle like to ride here. Now CMCO, Kiara close. Now I know why everybody here is like a Kiara, man. Nice up and down. Oh, nice. Wow, nice. Oh yeah. I should wear a guard. I didn't wear a guard, any guard. Up, down. Oh, nice. Woohoo. High train stamina 呢度。What a nice trail. 8 km all like this. Wow, it's killer, man. Is it Uncle Trail here?
Here, yes.
Yes.
Wow, this one is Uncle Trail. I don't know who the fuck say this one is Uncle Trail. Dry also is fun, but wet lah.
Hey, but this one, if you go fast, really can enduro, eh?
It's enduro lah actually. Not XC. Who say this is XC? We go catch up with the local rider. Hello. 你哋周嗰時踩呢度嘅係咪？
係啊，唔多。我話3-4擺。
3-4擺喎。
有時6擺。
6擺喎，用黑啲喎呢度啊！我發覺嗰啲路有啲地方係呢度有樹，呢度有窿，但係路係咁斜少少喎。
斜少少。過
嘅時候一支樹根就去荷蘭咗。
所以
你
第一次、第二次嚟嘅時候唔可以咁快，好多人跌倒咗嘅。
哦，係啊嚇。
呢邊斷。因為第一次嚟佢揸好快。
哦。
有樹根啊，有落水啊，一滑㗎。會飛出去。
10 km 咁樣嘅路啦 ，all the way 咁樣嘅路10 km 啊，其實都好塌下咧，冇卡得咁多樹根。但係好 flow 嘅，係啊，要保持乾淨，唔好掉垃圾喎。
可以見到就執，即係唔係話停低行入去執啦。見到。
If no rain come here. When you go down, don't brake too much. Then actually the small uphill no need to pedal. The local rider, normally they are right here is using hardtail. So without the dropper post also. So actually the down not so technical. For downhill style rider, I don't think they are really like here. Oh, yeah. Hey. Just now they have a local rider here, very strong rider. They can take the full load, 2 rounds straight away, no rest. I think if 2 rounds straight away without rest, it's difficult than normal jamboree 25 km or 30 km. Not easy, man. All the way like this, single trail, routes, not much flat, up and down. Huh?
This is only halfway.
Hay quá.
Này.
小心啊，去荷蘭㗎。哇 ，very nice, very nice. Sheep, climb. Spin 快啲，個輪。哇 ，very nice 哇，哇。Whoa.
Here there's a small drop, it's like 2K drop.
Okay.
You know 2K, the wood drop? Something like that.
Okay. Drop! Jump! Oh my god, look at that! Holy shit! Wow! Ah!
Go up on the door.
I tried to follow you, I cannot. I go up.
成頭就即喺個窿度面。
Oh, licin, licin. Whoa! Wait. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! One more. Whoa, it's a gap. Nice! Nice. Ah! Wait. Oh. Oh. Finally finished the ride. The last part jump is amazing. This is the starting point. Sungai starting point. Surrounding here is a housing area. The local rider told us, please do not park your car at this area because this is a housing area. Sometimes they have riders and the hikers. They come here, then they park full of the car here. It's really, they feel they get disturbed. They complain. Please, please don't park here because if you park here, everybody complain. Then maybe the trail will close. Everything will happen. And please be nice. Don't throw your rubbish in the trail, please. Thank you so much. Don't park here. Huh? Don't park here. Park outside. Then you ride in. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.